Welcome to this guided Brandt-Daroff exercise. This routine is often used to help with benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, or BPPV, a common cause of dizziness. If you've been diagnosed with BPPV by a healthcare professional, this exercise may help move the loose crystals in your inner ear and ease your symptoms. Please perform this in a safe and quiet space. Let's begin. Sit upright on the edge of your bed, feet flat on the floor, hands resting on your lap. Now, turn your head 45 degrees to the right and lie down quickly on your left side. Keep your head turned. Let's hold for 30 seconds. Let the waves of dizziness pass. You are safe. You are grounded. Just breathe. Take a deep breath, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Gently return to a seated position. Sit tall and breathe deeply. We'll rest here for 30 seconds. Now, turn your head 45 degrees to the left. Then, quickly lie down on your right side. Keep your head in the same turned position. We'll stay here for 30 seconds. Breathe slowly. Let your thoughts float like clouds. Relax your shoulders. Feel the earth supporting you. Let go. 30 seconds. Slowly come back to a sitting position. We'll rest here for 30 seconds. That's one complete cycle. Repeat the sequence 5 times on each side. That's a total of 10 head turns. Repeat this video. I'll guide you through the full session. Just follow along. You've completed the Brandt-Daroff exercise. Take a moment to thank your body for showing up today. With consistency, this simple routine can bring relief and balance. See you next time.